So before I'll take you through today's method, I'll urge you to read through the countries below, and if you see your countries listed over here, that means you can go straight to paypal.com and then you create an account. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Profitable Side Hustles, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account. So without wasting much of your time, you can subscribe to this channel if you find this video very helpful, and then like this video as well. So type in paypal.com in your browser and hit on enter or press enter. So as we're waiting for it to download, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. So you can click and then click on sign up, and click on sign up if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can click on login to log in into your account. But in this video we are going to discover how to create PayPal account. So you click on sign up, and then for the sign up process you have two main accounts. We have personal account and then business account, but for the purpose of what we are going to use this video for, this PayPal account for, we are going to use business account. Yes, you are going to select business account. So they have only two accounts that you can choose from, two options. You can choose from personal and then you can choose from business. So in order to get more features, yes, like sending and receiving of money, you are going to select business account. Yes, you're going to select business account so that our account will not be limited. So after selecting business account, you click on get started, and then yes, we just wait for it to load. So you complete this security challenge, which is captcha. You complete it, and then it will take you to another step. Yes, so let's wait for it, and let's create this security. Yes, so it's a captcha, so you verify that you are not a robot, and then after verification it will take you straight to where you enter your details, and then yes, so I'll leave the link in the description below. And then if you want to create any PayPal account here in Ghana, or whether you are in Nigeria or any of the countries which is not listed under them, you can use this same method to create your account. So yes, so guys, in order for us all to benefit from this video, I've decided to add a subscription break, which is 10 seconds. So let's get it started now. So 10 seconds, we are going to use it to subscribe to the channel and then like the video as well. So just 10 seconds. So let's go. So guys, use this 10 seconds to subscribe, like, and then comment down below. So 8, 9, 10. So thank you guys for subscribing, and let's continue with the video. So let's wait for us to type our details into that. So it's loading. Yes, so if you see it loading, don't just click off that the system of PayPal is not working. That's how sometimes it does, and because of the system it sometimes delays. So guys, let's wait for it to load. It will soon pop up very soon, so let's wait for it to load, and we continue with the creation of the account. Yes, as you can see, you type in your legal name, your legal first name and then second name, and then you input your email address, and you enter your password, and your password must contain 20 characters, and then an uppercase letter or lowercase letter. You mix them, and you must contain a symbol as well. So a symbol like a star or asterisk, @ sign, and then hash, they are all symbols. So you can use, if somebody must even choose to use / or /, they are all symbols, so you can use them, and then after that you agree and then create an account. So that is it. you click on create and agree and create an account, and it's going to take you straight to hi message. And very good, you're ready to use PayPal. And then click on start activating your account. So you can choose to skip that. And in order to use, or in order to get full access to PayPal, you must complete your account information. Yes, so you must complete, you type in your name, all the details that they need, you must fill in by click on and see details. And then after that you're going to have full access to PayPal account, and you're going to get all the necessary what you can do with PayPal by sending and then receiving of money. If you give your PayPal address to somebody, the person can deposit, and then you can withdraw that money. And what PayPal does is, when your account is being created, the first amount of money that will drop into your account will freeze if for 30 days. So if you haven't used your account for any transaction, your money will be freezed for 30 days. So guys, that is that. You just click create an account, simple as that, and you complete your information and you're good to go. So I'll leave the link to PayPal in my description below. So if you want to create an account, you can click on that and then you create an account, simple as that. So that's how we create PayPal accounts here in Ghana, whether you are in Nigeria or you are in the bound countries. So PayPal, well, somebody may ask, what can I use PayPal for? PayPal is one of the sending and receiving money platforms that you can use to send and receive money anywhere across the world. So guys, before you click off, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and then click on the notification bell, and then like this video as well. And until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that, Charlie, I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and I'll see you next time. And our next video is going to be something on arbitrage, crypto arbitrage. So guys, keep yourself updated and then stay safe. Thank you very much.